Boars Head, a popular and expensive brand of lunch meats and cheese, among other products, is facing major legal issues due to a Listeria outbreak.
This is Dr. David Shine, and welcome to Business Law 101.
Anyone who shops at Kroger and other major supermarkets is aware of the Boars Head brand. According to Wikipedia, the family business behind it is Boars Head Provision Company, also known as Boars Head Brand, or the Frank Brunkhorst Company, who is one of the two founders of the company back in 1905 in Brooklyn, New York. It has been based in Sarasota, Florida since 2001. Per the U.S. Department of Agriculture, the company recalled 7 million pounds of deli meats after a liverwurst sample collected in Maryland tested positive for Listeria. This is a disease-causing bacteria. The meat may have come from the company's plant in Jarrett, Virginia. Health inspection reports violations of federal regulations, including mold, liquid dripping from ceilings, and meat and fat residue in many areas. Production at the plant was stopped in late July. The plant has now been linked to the deaths of at least 9 people and hospitalizations of about 57 others in 18 different states. A class action lawsuit was filed in the United States District Court for the Eastern District of New York in early August. The lawsuit alleges that Boars Head improperly, deceptively, and misleadingly labeled and marketed its products. Reportedly, the first lawsuit was a wrongful death lawsuit in Sarasota County, Florida. At least one other lawsuit is reported in Minnesota, likely to be more. Now, various cases can be filed in each of the states where deaths or illnesses occur. However, it is likely that there may be an agreement to consolidate the cases into one court, since the evidence is likely to be similar in these cases. In any event, this could be very, very costly for this company. It is too soon to tell if bankruptcy may be required. I mention that due to the fact that even though this is a billion-dollar company in revenue, the problem has substantial claim potential. The Boars Head case reminds me of Bluebell ice cream, the very popular Texas ice cream brand. In 2015, a Listeria outbreak was reported. The resulting shutdown and recall was devastating to the company. Further, criminal charges resulted in that case, since it was alleged that Bluebell's head had hidden some of the problems after they were discovered. 10 people were sickened and 3 died in that case. Some of the civil claims are still pending, but the criminal cases have been resolved with the payment of millions of dollars in fines. This is Dr. David D. Shine for Business Law 101. If you've enjoyed this episode, please subscribe on your favorite platform.